The bees are all around this basil. They must like this smell and see that it has gone to seed. They like all of these flowers on here. I see you, bee. I see you, bee. Yes, look at you. Okay, I see you. You enjoying that basil? They all around here. Yes. My second round of cucumbers. I see flowers blooming on them now. Come on, cucumbers. Look at you right there. I see you. I see you. I see the flowers. Beautiful yellow flowers. Come on, cucumbers. There goes some cucumbers going over there. Come on. I see the yellow flowers. I see the yellow flowers coming up. Come on. Come on, produce us some more cucumbers. Look at my Jamaican sorrel flowers are coming out. They coming out now. Look at you, look at you, look at you. Okay, come on, Jamaican sorrel.